Hello everyone, this is Satam here from Alchemist Academy. A lot of you have sent me an email over the past couple of weeks for scorecard evaluations to know why your writing score was low or where did you lack in reading or listening, and a lot of different questions. However, one of those questions that got my attention which was actually very repetitive, was one of them was, why is my written discourse low and what is this written discourse? So to answer this question, let's have a look at, first of all, what is written discourse. Written discourse actually comes out majorly from your essay writing, right? So if your written discourse is really low, it means that you've not written a very good essay or you've not expressed the ideas very clearly. So one of the most important things is expressing the ideas clearly and in a complex and compound sentence structure manner so that you get the maximum score towards your written discourse. Now, I'll give you a very small example of where people usually go wrong. Let's look at an example. There's a question which says that large shopping malls are replacing small shops. Is it good or bad? Give your views on that. Now, for example, let's say someone agrees with this topic and he says that yes, I do agree with this topic, that large malls should replace small shops as it is very feasible, and there are several reasons to support that thought. But one of the most important ones is that it provides you convenience. Okay. 99% of the people would just write the word convenience and then they would straight away go to the example. Straight away. So if you said convenience, what is the impact of convenience? What happens if something is convenient for you? So if, let's say, if I go to the shopping complex, it's convenient for me, that's right. But what is the impact? I save time. I can save a lot of money because I find everything in the right place. I find everything together at one place, right? So saving time, saving money, whatever you want to say. What I would have done is I would have said it is very convenient, or it provides convenience to people, and it helps them to save their valuable time. So basically what this would have done is this makes it into a kind of a complex and compound sentence. After this point, I would have added my for example or for instance, and I can pretty much put whatever point that comes into my mind. So if you ever get confused, like how do I give that one-liner explanation, one of the easiest way to go about this is follow the simple strategy which I always say in the class. It's called cause and effect. So, or you can just say idea and its effect. You can go either way of it. Okay, so for example, you said convenience. What is the effect of convenience? Let's look at a very small example. So there's a question which is very repetitive. It says that law changes human behavior. Do you agree or disagree with that topic? So let's say you say that, yeah, I agree with the topic because it does manipulate human behavior. One of the key reasons it instills fear in the people's mind. What is the impact of fear? When you fear law, you know that if you do something wrong, you're going to get penalized. So the impact, so the cause is, let's say people fear the law. The impact is they have fear of penalty. So what is the impact of that? They will not conduct or they will not do anything that is wrong or against the law. Please write it in one sentence. You can use words like which leads to people not doing this, which can stop people from doing this. So you need to make it into a complex and compound sentence. Follow this one simple strategy, which is the idea or cause plus effect, and I guarantee you your written discourse will definitely jump. It will improve a lot. You will see a bit of better difference and better marks in your writing section. So I hope that this has answered the question for all those who've been emailing me or asking me like why my written discourse is low. Remember one thing, together we are a team, together we can, and we can smash this together. Follow this one simple strategy once again, and remember that you can definitely ace the test. Good luck.